Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what I think is one of the most powerful portable charger power banks you can find. This is by INIU. It is a 10,000 mAh MagSafe compatible Qi2 fast wireless charging and 45 watt PD charging powerhouse, with tons of functionality built into it as well. A couple of surprises that you probably will not be expecting and will not find in other power banks. First off, it's really small. It's really slim. You see, it doesn't take up a lot of space. 10,000 mAh. That is a lot of power. Now, besides that, it is MagSafe compatible. So this can stick on the back of your iPhone. Yes, it will also work with a Pixel phone, in case you're wondering. You can also use it with Pixel phones. But it is MagSafe compatible, and it has Qi2 wireless charging, so you get 15 watts fast wireless charging when you have this attached to your iPhone, which is awesome. Now, besides that, there is a port here on the bottom and on the side, Type-C port. You can use that to plug into something through a wire and get 45 watt PD charging. Yep, 45 watt PD charging. That is a lot of power. You can use that to charge not only your super fast charge your iPhone or any Android phone, Pixel phone. You could charge earbuds. You could charge even a MacBook Air. You could charge with this or an iPad because it's 45 watt fast PD charging, which is awesome. Very, very cool. Now, in addition to that, there's a couple of other really cool touches to this that you might not notice right at first. On the back here, you have this little stand that pulls out, and this can become a little desk stand for your phone. So you could use this if you're traveling. You could use this not only to charge your phone, but you could also use it as a stand and for traveling while you're charging while you're asleep at night. You put your phone on there horizontally and let it go into that clock mode, which is kind of cool. Or if you're just browsing and using your phone on your desk, you could use it to stand that way. So that's awesome. There is also this little cute paw print down here, and there's LEDs back there, and that lets you know how much charge you have left on this device. But that's not all. There's another surprise feature. You've got this wrist strap that is attached to it. That is not just for looks or anything. That is a built-in Type-C cord. So you pull this out, and there you go. You have a Type-C to C cord that is always with you because you just plug it in there and plug it in there, and that way it's always with you when you need it. So nice little touch that they added that as well. Not only do you get this awesome power bank, 10,000 mAh, which is super powerful, Qi2 fast 15 watt fast wireless charging, Type-C PD 45 watt fast charging, but you also get a kickstand and you get a Type-C to C cord built into it. So tons of functionality built into this super tiny device, very portable, very easy to take with you wherever you go. If you're looking for a portable power bank to go with your iPhone or for a new Google Pixel phone that has the MagSafe Lite capabilities, then this power bank's the one to get, because you're going to get the MagSafe charging and also mounting for your phone in order to use it as a stand, but you still have the ability to plug in directly and get PD 45 watt fast charging. So excellent device by INIU, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.